Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta using milk. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything at hand for a smooth cooking process. Then, I'll guide you through cooking your pasta to perfection. Next, we'll create a wonderfully creamy milk sauce. Finally, we'll combine these elements to craft a delicious and easy meal that's sure to please. Let's get our ingredients ready for this delightful dish. You'll need about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, like penne or spaghetti. For the creamy sauce, prepare 2 cups of whole milk, which gives a lovely richness. Also, have 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour on hand. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Now, let's create that luscious milk sauce. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of milk, stirring continuously to prevent any lumps. Bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. With your sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. Cook your 8 ounces of pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta well, ensuring no excess water remains. Then, gently fold the warm, cooked pasta into your creamy milk sauce. Stir in any optional additions like 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and savor your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.